Hey, welcome back to Active Art. Got this new toy for my birthday, and so I wanted to unpack it, show y'all what it is. The Buddha board. Master the art of letting go. You can draw different designs on it. You use water, no paint, and then as it dries, it disappears. So if you like what you make, I guess you're supposed to take a picture. It's supposed to be good for practicing stuff, different techniques and brush strokes, or just to kind of doodle and relax and just let things go. Let's see. That's cool. Little protective thing. And please be mindful. The Buddha board surface is sensitive to scratching, so only use a soft paintbrush and don't press too hard. Also, only use clean room temperature water on the surface to avoid stains. Yeah, don't paint with your coffee. Please ensure the board does not come into contact with anything other than water. So don't be handling it with your oily, dirty hands or cleaning it with anything. Don't use crowns or pens. Alright. So now that we know how not to use it, let's see. It's nice and soft. Oh, what's this? Oh, nice little magnet. BuddhaBoard.com. Alright. Here's more about, ooh, they've got a mini version of it for your desktop. That would probably be good. Use it while you're on conference calls. Supposed to add some water, rest the board in the square notches, and paint the surface. As the water evaporates, the art will magically disappear. The more water you use, the longer the image will take to evaporate. Well, that makes sense. Anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Well, enough of reading this stuff. Let's see what else we got. Oh, little stickers. Little Buddha board stickers. Good branding. And so that's all for the box. A nice sturdy box. Okay, got this. Alright, Buddha board. Let's see. Put the board in there. Move this up a little bit. Alright, now you can see what I'm doing. I've already put a little bit of water in here. This is not my coffee. Like the directions said, only use water. Alright, just a little protective plastic thing there. Okay. Brush feels kind of firm. Like on a little wood stick. But really interesting to see how it does as it wears. Let's see, the first stroke on the Buddha board. Get some more water on there. Don't be shy. Maybe if my arm rests, I can. Cool. I was playing with, I guess would be like a children's version of kind of like this. They make them kind of for kids, the water activated mats, and they can use brushes or rollers or something on it, but underneath it's got a bunch of different colors and numbers and stuff like that, and it definitely has a different feel to it. That has more of a padded feel, and this is much more smooth and clearly just a black background. And let's see if I press harder. That's kind of cool. Just whatever you don't like will disappear. If you do like something, you could go back over it. But I think the point of this is that you just kind of let it be and enjoy it for what it is. And see where I had a little less water on the brush, it's already starting to dissipate. But where it was more soaked, it's darker and it's staying longer. Well, imagine you could definitely, I don't do any calligraphy, clearly, but imagine you could practice different writing styles. Oh, so I guess I'll play with this for a while. I do find it a little relaxing just to play with. Knowing that, you know, when you're working on a painting and you're putting paint down, it's so much, you know, you're trying to get it just right or whatever, and this is more about just letting the ideas or whatever movements are coming to mind and just letting it go. Or if you have any questions about it, I might be able to answer. Or I guess where they have the website, buddhaboard.com. I could definitely see the mini version sitting on a desktop. Just kind of doodling while you're thinking of something or on a phone call. Anyway, have a great day, y'all.